So what just broke?
I don't know.
Put this one on your YouTube video.
We have to air up the tires, and your brand new little air up box just broke.
I can fix it.
I can fix it. It's okay.
It falls out right there. It's that little lid.
How much you got in there?
55.
Bring it up. Let's go. Yeah, it's fixed.
It's so fixed, love.
All joint going out there.
I'm in the street.
Axle leaking. I don't know what the heck's going on over here.
Stop hurting
I
yourself.
just broke my nail way back below the quick.
Really?
That really fucking hurts, by the way.
Oh, damn it. Grab it. How about we go to the top? Go down, then come up and meet us up there. You're faster than us. Going up on top. What?
We get up to here and I'm like, that's a cliff! Oh shit, here we go!
I saw it, I promise. What happened?
He was just gonna keep going.
Oh.
Yes, dude, I was like, that's a cliff. No! Like, oh my god, dude.
That makes sense. I was like, yes, I know there's a cliff. We've been here
dude.
how many times?
No, dude. We fucking got up here. I was like, yeah, man. Here
Should
we
Colton
go.
be driving?
I want to
Jesus.
see sand, sky, sand, sky, sand, sky. Yes, dude.
My fucking stomach just well, I didn't go that way.
Well, Nick was like, dude, the hole right here. And I was like, yeah, there's probably one right where Rachel went to. So follow Rachel. Go that way.
Is he gonna hit the hole?
He doesn't care.
Yes, he does. He puts out in the hole, he's gonna care.
I don't know.
That's still gonna hurt, dude.
That's definitely not gonna feel
break.
good. Well, you're not supposed to fucking get right up to the edge like that. You were like,
Yeah, I was wondering, why did you guys stop right there? Because we have no parking for Jenna or I.
well, he was gonna keep going.
No,
that way. I'm like,
you
there's
get to the
nothing
peak
there.
and go down. Follow the ridge.
I didn't know this was the top.
There's sky past it. There's nothing
no
else.
Sand there and it just goes sky.
You can't
That's
just
what he
fly.
does. Huh?
Can't see his side.
I know.
I thought it was over there. I thought it was like right here. I thought it was like right here.
You were pretty damn close. I was like, shit. The way we were going, I was like, oh, I guess this is where we're gonna go. Better commit once we fly off this cliff there.
That wouldn't have been a commit. That would have been a roll sideways. You first, and I would have just kept
That's what I was
going.
gonna say. Sand, sky, sand, sky, sand, sky, sand, sky.
We're going to the hospital, I think.
Yeah.
If you
Can get me out of here. Colton's got 2 broken arms. Darren's knee's dislocated. We put him on the back of Nick's quad. He's coming back. He's on his way.
Let's go to the other
He
option.
went the full zigzag the
We're
whole
gonna put
way
one on
out.
the box, the other one has to ride on Rachel's.
Rachel just beat the shit out of me. Oh, did that hurt, dumbass? Oh!
You shouldn't have done
Yeah,
that.
I shouldn't have done that. This is really gonna hurt. Wham! Oh! I ran your hand over because it was laying down there. Sorry. It's alright. Don't want to be up here right now? You should ride that off of that. It makes your fucking balls go into your throat.
Colton will
Sketchy.
do it. He's done it.
I did it all day yesterday. That
No,
was
I
scary
don't want to go
shit.
down there.
You can go down and up.
I can go down it with this, but I don't.
You can go down. Yeah, you can go down. Nick can go down it too. It's just going down and it's scary as fuck. And you have to have 100% control or you're gonna die. It's like back end picks up, so you let it down and then you slide. Back comes up and then you put it down and you slide.
So that goes up and over.
Why don't we go try to climb right there? Colt, why don't we go climb right there in the opening?
You want that one?
Yeah, I want to see what's over there.
Okay.
That's really not good.
No. Either somebody got hurt on the tank or someone's in the ocean.
Yeah. There's life light.
Yeah, I know. They're gonna let me.
They're coming for Derek.
Get in there. Go ahead. I'll take you for a drive. I'm not fucking.
You want to drive the Raptor?
Yeah, compared to him? Yeah. Right here, he hits it about 40, and he goes,
He went through the trail,
bam!
dude, and he's like, "Ah!" It's fine, Darren, we're okay. No!
This is easy. We're not doing anything.
No, when he's doing it like 40.
The trail, dude, I was
Get
like,
in there.
as fast as you can go through it. Come on.
went
No,
through
the
that
trail
ride.
is a little sketchy on this.
Really?
No, come on. Go for a little ride with me.
Go ahead.
I always say Rachel.
Go
No,
ahead. Go ahead.
Huh?
let's go. I always say Rachel because I tried to stop,
Get in there with it.
hoping she'd pass.
Almost hit me. I saw you there. I had my foot and my hand on the brake.
Now don't roll.
I know, I tried to stop too, and then I went, fuck, I guess I'll just floor it.
You gotta run away because you're on the left.
I don't know.
Dude, he just freaking floors that thing going down the hill and up and around the corner. He's like, oh, this is smooth. I'm like freaking holding on to everything going, no, no, no. Freaking nuts. There's no holes in there, but it's still sketchy. And he goes down that other cliff.
Yeah.
That goes down the other side and comes back around. Yeah, here he is right there. Look how fast he's driving through there. He's got to be doing about 40 right there. This is where it hits right here. This is the part.
Yeah, but he
that's
sees
gonna
this.
hit.
He's not going to come out and jump it. Yeah, see,
Sure.
cram on the brakes.
Can I get in?
Do you want to ride with Colton and laugh at Dad on the
Get it
Raptor?
out of his system.
Hey, can you get
now.
on the Raptor and go?
Me?
Yeah, can you get up the hill?
I can get up the hill. I don't want to because it beats the shit out of
Yeah.
you. Dude, I'm freaking still shaking from up there.
I know that you and Jenna both were freaking out about that. I'm like,
Oh, I'll get out.
it's the
It's not
cliff.
that bad.
No, it didn't look that bad when he came down.
He's got it from the floor right now.
Is it bearing? He's in two-wheel drive.
No, he's a floor.
It's not going very fast up that hill.
It's hopping. It's not getting traction.
Wow.
And then he just immediately takes it down the next hill.
That didn't bother me.
Well, yeah, now you know it's there.
You knew it was there. We came here yesterday.
I know, but I didn't remember which one that was. And then by then it was already too late. He was already screaming down at it. And he's like nailing every tree as we were going through it. First, oh, sorry, oh, sorry, oh, sorry. You're gonna crash.
Yeah, I had my hands up the whole time.
Yeah, no thanks. You know how fast he's coming
He's
out?
going faster this time than he did with Rachel.
That's what he did with me.
No, he didn't come that fast around the corners. This is what he did with you. He went smooth around the corners and then floored it in the open. It's fine if you keep momentum. But you got to really keep the momentum.
Yeah, it's different, though.
My butt's sweating.
Yeah?
Yeah, so is mine. I think I might have shit myself.
Is that thumbs up, Jenna?
That one last
Nick.
Wow. How did you do that?
Oh, did you do that to me? Huh? What did you do?
He split his pants.
Oh my god.
Do you want to get that on the GoPro?
Hey, me too.
Dude,
Hey.
he was like, no.
Wow.
Well, that last little edge, dude, I forgot when you hit it with your back tire, the other side picks up. You have to kind of wait for it to fall down again.
I like really ripped it good.
I'm like impressed. You know, everybody at work does that, but they do it with like something in their pocket, and then they stand up and it catches on something and just rips their pocket, and usually takes the jean with it.
Like nothing, I'm gonna take it back to Costco and say, you know what?
I've worn these 3 times in 6 months, and I ripped the crotch and my ass. What are you gonna do?
I think we should go do the trails by the beach again.
I don't like the trails.
Through the-
There are trails?
Through
The
the
fucking
trailers?
trees?
No.
They're not very good trails.
You
Go look
terrible
at the
person.
scratches.
And the
you guys
razor doesn't
got.
fit in there.
bypass
It's
that
tight on
one?
the quads. You got to duck on the
You
quads.
guys freaking nailed every single one.
I
Wanna go down that way then?
And my neck is bothering me, so I don't really want to keep going over the big.
Okay, so
Ah!
we'll follow Nick. Nick doesn't go over
Yeah,
the
Nick I'm sitting here following the razor, and we were headed up that big one, and I hit a hole really bad.
Yeah, it doesn't feel so good.
Yeah, I still
Took
get the
off
whole
my
thing.
helmet.
I
took
always
off
wake
my
up
goggles.
in the morning because I was in the morning before I ride that. Now I do one of these. And do a little, oh yeah, a little stretchy, where you go. Yeah, you do one of those.
Oh my god.
Yeah, just like that, yeah.
Hey, by the way, the GoPro's filming.
Put that one on
You know what? That needs to be the
Tell me it's filming.
that needs
Please
to be
tell
the
me it's filming.
thumbtack.
Yeah, you're good.
Thank God it got all that.
That's good right there. Let's go out over that way then.
On the other peak?
Yeah, just out towards the
Okay.
other way.
You ready?
Go for the lake, okay?
The lake?
Yeah.
It's kind of boring, but okay. We're gonna go over that mountain though.